Welcome to day 2 of Mr. Mackenzie's 30-day music challenge. For today's challenge, you need to imagine that you're in a rock band and for some reason something has happened to your drummer's drum kit. I don't know if they have been extremely forgetful and just left it at home, which would be pretty incredible, or more likely it's been trashed by airport luggage handlers. Anyway, what your job is to come up with some kind of solution for them. So there's probably 3 main ways that I thought of doing this. You could teach yourself to beatbox. Beatbox evolved from hip hop in the 80s and 90s, and it's essentially just making drum sounds with your mouth for somebody to then rap along with. You can Google how to do this if you need to. The second way would be a kitchen drum set. With this method, all you need to do is get a wooden spoon and just test how a few different things in the kitchen sound when you tap them, and try to choose quite a varied selection of sounds, and then a couple of wooden spoons, bunch of random stuff from the kitchen. You should be able to come up with a pretty interesting drum kit.
Good. Now a cadenza on the blender. Beautiful stuff.
The third one, for the exceptionally committed and well-resourced, would be to actually look up how to make a DIY drum kit. And this involves using things like bits of wood, old buckets, things like disc brakes from bikes, and putting them all together into a really interesting DIY drum set that looks kind of like the real thing and would actually be quite a good practice tool if you needed to use it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, see what you come up with, and then once you've practiced a little bit, see if you can get someone else in your house to either sing along with a song or to play an instrument at the same time, so that you've got a little bit of that band experience. You could also try playing along with one of your favourite songs. Alright, cheerio!